Everybody, it's Helen Birch here. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing how to get pregnant with hypnotherapy, the causes of infertility, the emotional and physical tolls that it takes, and how to overcome it. If you are trying to conceive a baby and you have tried everything, you have tried things such as acupuncture, fertility cycle timing, and massage to try and increase your fertility, but you are still not getting pregnant, then maybe you should try hypnotherapy, the forgotten fertility treatment. For those who don't know me, I'm Helen Birch, a clinical hypnotherapist and sex therapist. Trying to conceive a baby is very stressful, especially if you are really struggling. You see friends or family members getting pregnant, but you aren't. This stress often leads to poor eating habits, poor sleeping habits, and poor choices when it comes to alcohol. Stress is a key factor in affecting your fertility levels. This video will have a look at how stress affects fertility and whether hypnotherapy can really help you when you're trying to conceive. So, first of all, stop trying. A major cause of stress is trying to get pregnant, and the stress of not conceiving causes many psychological issues blocking the pathway to conception. The majority of infertility in the UK, around 75%, is as a result of physical issues such as endometriosis, polycystic ovary syndrome, low sperm count, or problems in the reproductive tract of either partner. So that still leaves around 25% of infertility as unexplained, and this is where hypnotherapy can offer help. Stress affects fertility. In the United Kingdom, around 1 in 7 couples have difficulty getting pregnant. There are many reasons that couples seek help, and this can include age-related problems, as more and more couples are leaving it later to start a family. By the time a person is in their 30s, natural fertility has already started to decline. So whether it's age-related infertility or some other issues, research supports the fact that unhealthy levels of stress can damage a couple's natural fertility. So how does stress affect fertility? High levels of stress can result in the suppression of key reproductive hormones, which can affect and reduce the quality of eggs, delay the release of eggs, affect the cervical mucus, inhibit the implantation of an egg once it is fertilised, all of which reduces a couple's chances of having successful conception. So how does hypnosis reduce stress levels? Unhealthy levels of stress can have a negative impact on a wide range of the body's functions, not just fertility. But the good news is that when it comes to stress and the stress is relieved, the body can easily return to its natural state and become healthy once again. This is certainly true when it comes to fertility. It is easy to become stressed when you are trying to conceive. This is because both partners can feel daunted about becoming a parent, overwhelmed by the pressure to get pregnant, suffering sexual dysfunction which is affecting fertility, or have some past trauma which is bringing up negative memories and emotions. The body responds to these messages by flooding the body with stress hormones and therefore suppressing the chances of getting pregnant. Luckily, these stressors, whether they are conscious or unconscious, are pretty easy to release with hypnosis. As each couple is different and unique, there is no one-size-fits-all solution, but that is the power of hypnosis. It is adaptable and a flexible therapy which gives you a way to change your mindset and reconnect with that deeper and quieter part of your mind that actually holds the answers. For example, one technique that is helpful for stress relief is to visualize yourself spending time in your favorite place or in a special place within the imagination where you can take control of how you feel and unhealthy stress can be effectively cleared. Sometimes the cause of infertility can lie beyond the reach of the conscious mind, and it can be buried more deeply within the subconscious part of the mind. So, for example, I had a lady who had gone through several failed cycles of IVF. Her fertility was classed as unexplained. She felt that she didn't deserve to get pregnant due to something that had happened in a previous relationship. Through hypnosis, this powerful negative emotion can easily disrupt the ability to conceive naturally. A good hypnotherapist can easily release these deeply held beliefs and negative emotions such as this. The subconscious blocks are lifted, and then there is nothing standing in the way of conception, which often occurs within the next few cycles. Stress inhibits implantation during the IVF. So many couples come to see me when embarking on assisted fertility programs such as IVF. But stress can have a major role in the success or failure of the treatment of programs. Recent research suggests that high levels of stress during embryo implantation can cause small contractions of the uterus, which can inhibit successful implantation of a fertilized egg. Other environmental stresses, such as a fear of needles, an unfamiliar clinical setting or unfamiliar staff, fear of the procedure not working, and anxiety about childbirth, create stress that can have a detrimental effect on conception and the success of IVF. But a skilled hypnotherapist can teach you self-hypnosis, which can be used when needed so that all of these fears can be released and instead replaced with a focused inner calm, giving the couples a best chance of success. Hypnosis offers huge benefits for couples that are trying to conceive. Clinical hypnosis has potential benefits for couples struggling with infertility. It's not necessarily a quick one-fix session though. Commitment is needed and a willingness to practice in between sessions is required, but the results are potentially life-changing. If you have unhelpful beliefs that are inhibiting your fertility, a hypnotherapist can help you quickly release those beliefs, replacing them with a positive mindset that places you in the best possible health for pregnancy. Stress caused by an unhealthy work-life balance is a problem which hypnotherapy can resolve by replacing high levels of stress with a sustainable inner calm and a much deeper level of physical relaxation than you have probably ever known before. The best part of hypnotherapy is that once the skills are learnt, then they are yours for life. This can then be used to help you cope with your pregnancy, from birth and also into the parenthood. You will already be empowered to access the most positive state of mind possible whenever you need to. If you are struggling to conceive, you may want to look into hypnotherapy. I have had many couples who have successfully conceived after undergoing hypnosis for fertility. Hypnotherapy can improve your chances of conception by helping you relax and helping your partner relax as well. You can learn more about hypnotherapy and how it can help with fertility by contacting me today. I will leave a link for my website in the description box below, and I'll also leave a link for you to book a consultation. So if you've got any questions around hypnotherapy or how it can help with your fertility, then please get in touch with me today. Thank you very much for watching and take care. Speak soon. Bye bye.